guys. Happy, what is today? Today is Tuesday. Yeah. Happy Tuesday, having my omelet. Y'all know how I feel about my omelets. My sparkling grape, girl, just finished. Well, I ain't totally finished it, but I got me a cup of coffee over there. Probably won't get finished because this thing got a little cold, but I'm gonna enjoy this omelet. And then I'm gonna get dressed because, girl, I do believe we have at least one house viewing today. House tour or what have you. I booked, well, I tried to book two, but we're gonna see how busy my guy is. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We are in the car, girl. I have beat my mug, knocked out 2 wig reviews, pulled some mail in, girl, reported a problem in my apartment. They said they're on their way to look at it, but I couldn't stick around for it because we have an appointment. It is 2:58 right now. Our appointment is at 3:30. It takes us about 20 minutes to get to the property, so that's what we're doing right now, girl. I have kind of already made up my mind that I want a townhouse, so that's just what it is. We're looking at townhouses because that's just going to be best for my lifestyle right now at this point in my life. But this one isn't new construction, it is newly renovated, so that's what we are about to go look at right now. I've looked at quite a few newly renovated ones. I've already fell in love with 2 that sold literally like sight unseen, so we're gonna see what this was talking about. I know, but this house, girl, it is super cute from the photos. It's like $30,000 under my budget, so I feel like it was worth going to look at, even though it's kind of outside of my desired footprint, because like I just said, it takes 20 minutes to get to it, but I still feel like it's worth the drive. It's worth going to see for the coin that I'd save, though if it doesn't have all the modern updates that I'm looking for, then it's really not a savings, because now I'm going to have to cough up that money to make the home look the way I want to look. So at the end of the day, you might as well just go ahead and get everything you want in one go. That's really what I want. But if I find something that's livable but under budget, it still looks nice, girl, I'm going to go for it. Period. Y'all, we're driving into the area. Oh, it's a dead possum. I'm telling you, coming across this bridge, it is so pretty to me. So beautiful. Alright, so we just pulled into the neighborhood. It looks nice. It definitely looks nice.
In 800 feet, turn right onto West.
Got quite a few of them for sale. Street seems a little busy and congested though. All right, y'all, here it is from the side. It is cute. I want to park over here. It's cute. This is just a side view. Single car garage. You know, it has a cute little porch. Nice curb appeal.
I guess you could say character.
Mm-hmm. Like, I like the banister. Mm-hmm. And I don't like this. I forgot about this. This random vanity in the bedroom. And I do like the wood paneling and the gray. Yeah, it looks good. And I do like the closet with the kill you room. Nobody I never know. And it's deep. It's a lot of space in there too. Uh-huh. Oh, this is kind of low. Y'all, this was cute. This was cute. What did you think? What did you think? Good morning, peeps. Good morning. We are on our way to our early morning house tour, girl. I'm excited about this one because this is a standalone. I hear everybody giving their opinions on standalones. So I found this one online. It was very, very nice from the listing. So I thought it was very much worth the visit, okay? Because I did check off all of my wants and needs, and it even has a 4th bedroom. But it has quirks to it. You can only access the 4th, it's like an ensuite, like a rental property, but you can only access it from going outside of the house. I'm not really fond of that, but we're still about to go take a look at it anyway. And then after that, I need to make my way to work, girl. But this one's definitely interesting. I can't wait to see this one. Yo, OMGG. It wasn't a bad drive getting here. Very cute. Huh. All right, y'all, that was fun. Definitely fun. So I have now, well, made my way to work. What are they doing? We ain't got time to play with it. We got to get into this lot. But yeah, girl, I liked it though. Definitely liked it, but don't think that was my speed. And it was a little too far as well. Because, you know, I want to be in the city. Because I'm a city girl. Y'all, so yesterday's houses were really great. I liked both of them. Both of them had quirks though. But I think I like the Townhouse the best of the two. Okay. I do. Thank you. Yeah, I like the Townhouse the best. Didn't necessarily like the random vanity in the bedroom, nor that black toilet with the brown toilet seat. All the brown, you know, original wood as it pertains to the trimming. It was beautiful, but I liked it on the banisters, but not throughout the house, you know, with the windows. I would want all of that painted white. So it has quite a few things about it that I would go in and change, but they both were still rather far though. Though the one with the outside suite was so I want to be able to access all of my rooms from within the inside of the house. I don't want to go out the back door to access my fourth bedroom via a whole another set of keys. You know what I mean? I want to be able to walk through my house freely and go in each and every room. But I loved it. I love the kitchen, especially the gray cabinets. It was everything. It was so nice. Now I get it that typically you don't get a refrigerator with your home, but I would have to get a refrigerator with that one. Townhouse, it came with all the appliances as well. I loved it. Like I said, it just had a few things that I would want to change, and that would really, you know, cost me a bit, even though it was well under budget. I want to say it was like $30,000 under budget, but it's worth it. But it's nice though, but it's not worth it to me as it pertains to gas. But I'm probably going to look at a few more properties, and yeah, that's about it. But I'm starting the process of packing up my apartment, so when I do make my final decision, girl, I am ready to go. Pull up the U-Haul, girl, because we are packing this shit in. We are headed out. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just in the preparation process. So I'm going to start with my closets and my kitchen. So if I can get those two decluttered fast, then I already know that this is going to be a breeze. Even though I feel like I don't have a bunch of heavy stuff to move, I just feel like this will be an easy move for me. I think this is going to be one of the easiest ones. So I'm excited about this. I really am. Let me know down below in that comments area what you thought of this video's picks, because this was done over the course of a few days. So let me know which one was your favorite. I'm gonna pick up my boxes and start the packing process. Girl,